And as COVID cases continue to rise statewide, hospitals in West Michigan are seeing it firsthand.
Spectrum Health in Grand Rapids is seeing more COVID patients now than they did this spring. And it's a similar story at Ascension Borges in Kalamazoo.
News 8's John Dommel talked with a medical professional about why this is happening and how close we are to putting this behind us.
We are busier here than we have ever been. Our case counts are going up to somewhere in the range of 5 to 7 times where they were this summer.
Ascension Borges in Kalamazoo wouldn't give out specific numbers, only saying that there are 3 nursing units treating patients now, as opposed to 1 this past spring. Statewide cases have been steadily rising over the last month, and to date, there have currently been more than 5,000 total cases in Kalamazoo County and 14,000 in Kent. Spectrum Health in Grand Rapids says that right now it has about 167 positive cases being treated.
I'm very worried that people are sort of losing sight of what the goal is here and getting really tired of all of the precautions.
And with ventilators, is that anything that's of a concern now as we head into November, as much as it was earlier in the year, or?
Not yet.
He says we need to stay on top of social distancing and to keep wearing our masks in public for just a while longer.
And honestly, I don't think we're going to be coming out of this tunnel for another 3 or 4 months. And so we just sort of need to take a deep breath and keep our guard up for a little longer, and we'll be able to get through it all together.
Antiviral agents such as remdesivir and other treatments have become more prevalent as hospitals start to become more stressed statewide, though Dr. Ross remains optimistic with the prospect of a possible vaccine.
This is not new technology. I personally am not very worried about safety, but I'd sure like to see something be fairly effective. If something's fairly effective, we're going to be able to open things back up and start moving back towards normal. And so that's what I'm hoping for.
In Grand Rapids, John Dommel, News 8.